State Election Committee of the Voice of the People's Party, which had met on 16th June 2023, had taken a decision on the selection of the General Secretary of the party, Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon, as its candidate from the Shillong Parliamentary Seat in the upcoming Lok Sabha Elections of 2024. It may be mentioned that, along with Syngkon, two other members of the VPP that included the Assistant Professor of PGT College, Shillong, Dr. Bahunlang Tron and Professor NEHU, Professor Lakhon Kma, the Vice President of the VPP, Dr. Kara Shen, while speaking on the party's anticipated performance during the Lok Sabha elections of 2024, said that the results would definitely depend on the people's mandate and not on the number of legislators in the party. Dr. Chen also informed that the VPP has not encouraged the candidature of party president Ardent M. Basamoit as he has enough responsibility to take party affairs in the entire state of Meghalaya.
That is true, but then he is here and he's here to concentrate on state politics. He's the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he's the right person to be in the state, not to go to the Delhi. So which is why we have decided to feel Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year. Kalau kapor udah beliau tabiang dengan nangis udah mainkan yang school NEHU, tengok ke parti he is the right person kan. Dan injek yung founder member jaga parti tu yang injek. Inhap injek yung try jaga parti baru founder member of general secretary jaga parti tu.